Malirizanga nange mbabbo mwemu. Tuwabawo omuntu ebankira ku Dr. Besigye. Omusajja yasulawo amagye n'agamba bannange twabonabona ne tuwangula olutalo naye bwe tutuuka wano ate ndaba mukola birala. Okuva bwe yasulawo amagye n'atujoyininga ng'abantu ba bulijjo takyukakyukangako. Olwekyaboogera ebigambo byonna bye mwogera ku social media mwe muswala ate nga muli mu opposition. Kakati FDC mu parliament ye-10 ye yali ekulira ki oludda oluvuganya gavumenti. Awo si we baleetera people power waliwo yabakwatako. Ffenna sitwakubanga jambo mukulu Bob Wine nze ne Dr. Besigye teyatuyimbako ne mu nnyimba ze. Talina ennyimba ezoogera ku Besigye ne Kerry James. What are you talking now? Mr. Chairman, sir, distinguished delegations, including the Conservative Party delegation, your Deputy Chairman, the entity leaders and their delegations, the distinguished members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Chairman, sir, permit me to borrow a leaf from one distinguished playwright, William Shakespeare, when he was talking in the context of the burial of King Caesar between Mark Antony and Brutus. One of them said, I have not come to bury Caesar. I'm not going to say that. I have not come to merely greet you. I have come to devise a mechanism through a revolution to get the junta off the course of power. Mr. Chairman, sir, we have a lot of hope in you, Dr. Besigye. Nobody should spend time talking about you. The revolution is not about you. The revolution is about the Ugandan people who are dominated by the shackles of dictatorship and omnipotent autocracy. We come at a time, Mr. Chairman, when leadership and the governance in Uganda is in shambles. This is a revolution. We have a right through a revolution to change the course of politics in this country. Where did Museveni get the power to go to the bush? Those that claim that, Besigye, you better go through us. Who are you talking? Going through who? Who has got the license to fight dictatorship? Every person in Uganda is entitled to be free to liberate the people of Uganda from the shackles of dictatorship. And to cut the story short, I want to tell you why we chose to go through the front. President Museveni was behind the Constitution of 1995. We spent 8 years under that constitutional preparation. After coming out with a good constitution, the man went through parliament, through bribery, to fail that constitution. There were 2 benchmarks earmarked to ensure that transition is guaranteed. The benchmark of presidential term limits, the benchmark of age limits. You all recall the shambles we went through in the parliament in 2017. Even the leader of the opposition, Kiza Winnie, could not speak. I saw her standing up for over 20 minutes and could not catch the speaker's eye. There was confusion and a catastrophe of events. I remember very well that as they were waiting for Senator to come, someone, the leader of the junta, commanded a garrison of soldiers to go and attack the opposition so that the debate fails. Now that the 2 benchmarks were destroyed by the junta, what to the people of Uganda too. The alternative channel as a benchmark would have been the general elections. Can anybody be proud of the recent elections we have gone through? A catastrophe of events. Therefore, what do we do? Mr. Chairman, the framers of the Constitution, who included you, they were very wise to put in place the contents of Article 3. And the Article 3 merely says, if you are a responsible Ugandan and you see a junta destroying the constitutionality of matters in your presence, you are at liberty to use any weapon to fight in defense of the Supreme Court document, the Constitution. We are not doing any harm by coming out in the open to charge President Museveni that you are responsible for the mess you have created, and the earlier you depart, the better man. I want to say, Mr. Chairman, that Uganda is in shambles in terms of administration. In 1962, 15 regions and districts founded the state of Uganda. They earmarked a constitution which was abrogated, all right. But when President Museveni came back, he has done a more havoc to any Ugandan who is living here today. He's pretending to be leading us when he's taking us to hell. We cannot simply look. The revolution is ripe. The revolution is on, and we have the support of so many communities all over the world. So we would like, Mr. Chairman, in the course of your leadership, to make sure that the 15 regions regain that power they lost. Everything has gone amok because the junta has dictated that every decision must be done by that leader of the junta. And we are saying the time is now for through Article 178 of the Constitution to regain the powers that Ugandans lost, because whoever has been president was an employee of the people of Uganda. We call upon the people of Uganda to realize that once we get into the matter, we want the regions to share responsibilities equitably, to share executive powers, to share sovereignty of Uganda, to share state functions. Today, under Museveni, when it is Independence Anniversary Day, it is only a few people in his government, including the Bachwez, who enjoy the territorial sovereignty of the Ugandan nation. The practice must stop, and the time is now. Ekisala kituuse mulowooze nnyo ku biseera bye tuyiseemu ebiyitirivu nga tubona banane eggwanga lino. President Museveni waddembe okutuka nga bukyali kuba abantu banyiivu bonna. Akasi musooke mutunuulire eggwanga Winston Churchill lye yatendereza nga the Pearl of Africa. Obulungi obuli wano naturally tolinawo obusanga mu Africa. Naye obulungi bwonna butufuukidde obubi olw'enfugabbi erya President Museveni. Yali President Museveni mu 1992 ng'asinzira mu Rio de Janeiro e Brazil n'assa omukono ku ndagaano Agenda 21 nga kuli resolution number 40 egamba nti buli president w'ensi eri mu UN ne UNEP ateeka okukuuma every existing forest cover, ebibira byonna. Kaakati Museveni ebibira byonna yabiramula ng'akukuta n'Abachina. Okumanya ng'omusajja oyo mubi nnyo atumazeeko n'ekisa ffe bannayuganda tulinga abaddu b'abeeru. Mujjukira bulungi nnyo omusajja ono bwali omubi, entobazi zonna atuuka n'ozigabira Abachina. Ettaka lyaffe ayita mu mawankwetu ag'abo abatawa busuuro ate nga talina tteeka lyali atadde wano nga liyita mu palamenti erikwata ku ttaka ne likola. Lukyamuzi yali aleese etteeka erireeta omukwano wakati wa bannannyini ttaka n'ab'ebibanja tibaayagala likole ne balima ssente. Bwe nava mu palamenti ne baleeta ekiteeka ekirala kiganya okukola naye baagala batusumbuwe bagobaganye abantu baffe mu ggwanga lyaffe nga nga bayita mbiteekateeka bo bennyini bye batagala bikole on the ground. Mwetegese okusirika? Mwegatte! N'olwekyo President Museveni tumutegeeza bwana bwe kamutaana n'akwata ku Mailoland ajja kiraba. Ekya Mailoland sikyakuzanya. Era njagala okutegeeza President Museveni atandike okusibamu ebibye alage walaga. Kubanga the revolution has taken off now. Era njagala okubategeeza banyabo ne bassebo. Lwaki tubona nabwe tutimu? Ab'ekibiina kya Conservative Party mwebale kujoininga revolution ye. Kubanga moto ya CP egamba nti waakiri okufa omuntu owa bulijjo nga ateekwa buteeka okubaako wasibuka waali w'omusanga. Mutabeera no mbomboze nga Museveni bayagala ffenna tuddukire mu bibuga abantu bave mu byalo byabwe gye baabeeranga. The practice must stop. Banyabo ne bassebo kati mpulira banoonyi b'obubudamu abayiri wano basukka 1.5 million. Lwaki amawanga amalala tigagabana ku ba refugees? Lwaki omugugu gwonna tatugwetikka nga tuyita ku Museveni olw'okubanga agudde ayagala abafuula abalonzi enkya abawe n'ettaka? Bannange muzukuke, omusajja atunyega. No. Olwekyo banyabo ne bassebo nga mmaliriza njagala okubira omulanga abavubuka mwenna mu Uganda. Mutwegatteko bannanga abavubuka. Mu biseera eby'emabegako naliko national chairman w'abavubuka ba Uganda nga Idi Amin anaatera okugwa. Nze nali nkulira abavubuka mu Uganda yonna. Abavubuka abasinga obungi balinga abasomera obwereere olwa atmosphere eteereddwawo Museveni. Abantu abasinga obungi baddukidde nabweru. Abaana baffe abawala babonabona olw'effuga ppi eribagobye mu ggwanga lyaffe. Singa tutereza ensonga, they will all come back to their motherland, Uganda. Olw'ekiteekyo bakasitange nsanyusi tuseye nyonso nnyo okubesitera wastano mwesitena musitujje twegastate ku Froston Tea exestera kyekisitino.